guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach. I help you plan for a brighter future so you have more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. So today we are going to talk about retirement and pension. Why is it important to save for retirement and what is the advantages of saving in a pension? Because today you need to have a look at your life and decide when do you want to retire and start planning for your retirement. Because otherwise you will be working until the day you die, and I'm sure a lot of you don't want to be doing that. Now, millions of people aren't saving enough money for their retirement at all, especially if you look at what type of standard of living they would like when they retire. Now, did you know that the state pension, if you were to retire this year, will only give you £9,110.40 for the year? That gives you a weekly allowance of £175.20. Now, would you be able to live on that per week at this stage? If not, that means you don't have enough money for retirement, and this will put you in a really bad state when you want to retire. Now, this only leaves you three options. Option one, you need to retire later, which means you need to work for a lot longer than you would have planned to or would have liked to. Option two, you need to start saving a lot more money now so that you can retire better, so that you don't struggle that much. Option three, you need to start having a look at making cutbacks so you are able to retire and be able to live on that £175 a week. If you're getting value so far, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Now, saving into a pension pot has a lot of advantages. Now, one of the advantages is that you get extra tax-free allowance with that. Now, for the year of 2020 to 2021, your tax-free allowance on your salary is $12,500. Now, let's say for the argument's sake, you are putting away an extra £100 every single month into your pension pot at work. That means that's an extra £1,200 that you are getting tax-free from the government. And you don't have to pay taxes on that, which means you are paying less out of your money, out of your pocket on taxes, which gives you more money to put in your pension pot and less that's coming out of your pocket for your pension pot. Now, the great thing is your company also pays money into your pension pot. Now, each company has a different percentage, but this will help you to save easily between £1,000 and £2,000 every single year for your pension. And if you got it into a normal pension pot, they also take that money and invest it so that that money grows safely for when you retire. You actually get more money out for your retirement than what you actually put in. So in your pension pot, it's the money you've contributed plus the money your company has contributed, and then whatever growth your money has had over the years. So that gives you a nice lump sum for when you retire to help you with retirement. Now, for today's bonus, we are going to have a look at a lifetime ISA. Now, before you look at a lifetime ISA, you need to ensure that you've got your pension pot sorted out at work so that you can save as much as possible for your retirement. So have your pension pot first. After that, if you would like to save something extra that's not in your pension pot, having a look at a lifetime ISA is definitely another good option, because for every £100 you put in, the government puts in £25 to fill up this for your pension or for a first-time buyer. So I'll link the video on top for you to get a full explanation of how a lifetime ISA works, because this is great for first-time buyers and for saving for your retirement. So if you use this, you can use the money to buy your first home. If you can't manage to buy your first home, you know that money will be safe for your retirement to fill up on your retirement pot. I'll leave a link in the description below if you would like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Please leave any questions or any topics requests in the comments below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.